Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind ScrappyWife.com, and today I am unboxing a bunch of new items that I received from the Happy Planner in my squad box for the back to school release, and these are all Disney themed. It is like Disney Teacher, and it is adorable. I'm so excited to show you all of these goodies. So this collection releases on May the 3rd. That also happens to be my birthday. So get excited. You can order these on the Happy Planner website on May the 3rd. I will have links in the description box below. Those are affiliate links. It does not cost you any more to shop affiliate links. You can still use coupon codes and points and all of that business on affiliate links, but it does really help to support this channel. So if you're planning on shopping, I would appreciate it if you'd head on back over here and use one of my affiliate links. All right, if you are interested in seeing what is part of this line, then stay tuned. Okay, let's start out with some of the accessories that I received. So I'm super excited about this. This is checklist paper, and teachers would use this kind of paper in their classroom for like a grade book, things like that. I can think of a million other ways to use it. So here's the checklist paper. When you open it up, you can see it's 2 pages. It does say classroom checklist, easy enough to cover this up, but I happen to really like the colors. For me, I'm thinking this is going to be really helpful for Patreon to be able to check off things that I'm working on each month for my patrons. I'm super excited about this. This would be great for habit tracking. This would be great for keeping track of chores in your house, or cleaning parts of your house, like last time I did blah blah blah, and you could keep the dates up there. I think this is going to be some really useful paper. I happen to love that it's so colorful. I think that's fun, because then this is not the type that you're going to like decorate and add stickers most likely, but it adds a little hint of color into your planner. So that is the checklist filler paper, all about this one. I was so excited to have that in my box. I also received an undated teacher extension pack in the Disney theme. So let's take a look at what the undated extension pack looks like. I happen to really like these as well, because these extension packs allow you to try out different layouts, different formats for your planning, without it being crazy overwhelming, like to buy a whole planner. So we have this year looks bright. That's beautiful. Okay, I think my video got cut off, but let's just look at this again. So adorable. This is the layout. And then again, it's the teacher layout. You have the Mickeys and confetti down the middle, Monday through Friday over here. You can put your courses up here, the subjects, things like that. Also, you can revamp this and make it work for you. You don't have to be a teacher to use this. Here is the second divider. Teachers keep it all together. Sorry, I don't know if I already went over this in the video before. I just noticed that it was cut off, and I had actually had unboxed all the rest of the Disney stuff and then looked and saw that it wasn't recording. So darn, you missed a lot of my first impressions. I apologize. Messy classrooms are where the fun stuff happens. Yes, look at the rainbow stripes. That's really pretty too. And then we have For the Love of Learning. So cute. With the extension packs, you get stickers. So here's a bunch of stickers. You have all the numbers. You have numbers here so you can date. And look at those sweet silhouettes. That's adorable. So you have stickers, and then you also get a folder. And this one says, School is Cool, Mickey Mouse, Teacher Notes. So adorable. So that is the extension pack in the teacher layout, Disney themed. I also got the planner accessory pack in the Disney theme. So accessory packs are great to pick up and add to your planner. So maybe you love the Disney teacher theme and you're like gonna go all in, or maybe you just want little bits and pieces of it. An accessory pack is great for that. So you have the divider here, the bookmark that says Teachers Change the World, One Child at a Time, a couple different post-its. You have some sticker sheets, or a sticker sheet right there. A folder says Teachers Keep It All Together. So cute. And then filler paper. Be a highlight in someone's life today. I love that. That is adorable. So that is the teacher Mickey planner accessory pack. All right, then we have this. This is the block pad It has rounded corners, which I love. This one is not punched. This one is meant to kind of sit on your desk, take notes. Maybe you just want to jot down a few to-dos each day, notes from a phone call, something like that. And then you can rip it off and start again for the next week. You can also rip it off, punch it, and put it in your planner if you're wanting to hold on to it or something like that. So super cute, bold colors. You have be a highlight in someone's life today. Again, I love that phrase. That is beautiful. So that is the block pad. Next, you have the planner. So this is the teacher layout planner. It's going to go from August 2022 through July 2023. So front of the planner, you have Minnie Mouse jumping for joy. She says, teaching is my superpower. Black plastic discs with the hearts in them. And then on the back, you have Mickeys and Minnies, kind of like all the kids in the classroom hanging out on all the different lines. That is super, super cute. On the inside, it's like this eggshell blue with all of the little Mickey heads. And you have your welcome page. So hello, this Happy Planner Teacher Edition belongs to Adorable. And you can put your school schedule, notes for the substitute, so you can leave this behind for your sub. Looking ahead with the planning calendar, marking off holidays and things like that. And ta-da! Messy classrooms are where the fun stuff happens. Same format that we saw in the extension pack, but this time it is already dated for you. And then here we have, again, the Mickey heads and the confetti down the middle. You have the dates over on the side. Here's where you would put your courses, and you can number the week of school, like week 1 of school, week 2 of school. So if your school starts later, these might just be planning pages for you, and then week 1 of school might be over here. That's just for you to keep track of all the school weeks. Love that. Let's see, is there a quote? Sometimes on Happy Planners, a few weeks in, there would be a quote. Doesn't look like it with this one. Okay. September, Mickey and Minnie again. This one says sparkle and shine. Love that. So cute. Oh, here they are peeking out. That's a little different. That's adorable. And now we have rainbow in here, and now the Mickey heads are a different color. So it looks like that's going to change month to month. Adorable. In October, it says teachers change the world one child at a time. They're playing with the highlighter right there. And now we're back to what it was before, and the confetti down the middle. Back to blue and the confetti. So it's just going to alternate between the two. Teachers have class. Rainbow stripe now. And that orange. Let's go to December. Teaching is my superpower. Love that. In this classroom, we stick together. Be a highlight in someone's life today. Teachers keep it all together. Love that. That's beautiful. School is cool. Mickey Mouse. And then for May, celebrate every tiny victory. That's a good one. It's a great one for teachers. June says teaching is an adventure. That's very true. July says be kind. Love it. Then you also have the checklists for the love of learning, and then your checklists. And of course you have now an extension pack of checklists that you can add in. So that is adorable. Okay, so that is the teacher planner. And then there are 2 new sticker books, I believe. I'm not sure if there's more than 2. We'll have to see. So there's a big size sticker book, and this one I think is regular size, classic size, and it's called Whimsy Teacher, and it is Disney themed. So let's flip through this. These are on clear. Teach, love, inspire. You've got this. See the good. Fun day. Oh, I love this. That's beautiful. And not all of these have to be used for teaching. Like this one says teach, but every day is an adventure. That's not necessarily. Do what makes you happy. Teach happy for the love of learning. Oh, this one's pretty. This is on clear. These are all clear. Those are cute. These would be great just for cards, like making cards for your teachers, like your kids' teachers, friends that are teachers. This is on paper. Look at how cute. With the little cut lines and the scissors. That's adorable. All right, these are on clear. I love the see the good in every day. That's make your students smile today. That's beautiful. All right, these are also in clear. Think big, start small. Oh, look at small Mickey and big Minnie. That's cute. Planning for bright futures. That's beautiful. Again, clear sticker paper. Teachers have class. You got this. Sparkle and shine. It all starts with a dream. So not all of these are teacher related for sure. Again, clear. I love Mickey like this. I think that's the cutest thing. Mickey laughing. This one is on paper with foil. Oh, I love the silhouettes. That's adorable. Loving the silhouettes. This is clear still. Do all things with kindness. That's pretty. That's really pretty. This is paper, these large circles. This is paper with foil silhouettes. Like that. This is paper, again with the circles. Oh, this is great. These are all in clear. These are all your breaks, last day, no school. Those are adorable. All right, so that is this big sticker book, 125 stickers. And then we have the kind of classic sticker book, classic value pack sticker book. So some pretty blue foil in here. And these are kind of elongated for the teacher layout. Again, you don't have to just use these if you're a teacher. You can, like these checklists, these are going to be great in all kinds of layouts. Look at those. Perfect. And even due date, you might have due dates at work and stuff. So these can come in handy. Appointment stickers. Look at all of the silhouettes. Those are adorable. These are clear. And then these are clear. And this one says report card, but otherwise these are just like office supplies. I feel like we all have in our spaces. So that's really pretty. Cute banners. These are on paper. All right, so these are a little bit more teachery. Test today, no school. Don't forget, you could use that. Yeah, so some of these are real teacher themed, but not necessarily. You can change it up. Noted. Those are cute. Let's party. That's adorable. I love how they did it on, I love how they did the line in the background. Now the stickers don't have the line going through, but I do think that is just a super cute touch for the sticker book. As I put that one back down. These are on clear. Paper again. Those are beautiful. I love the colors. I'm all about the bright colors. Paper. Love all of these right here. Appointment stickers again. These are adorable with the Mickey heads and the pencils. Love that. You got this. Clear. Here's banners with foil this time. These are all clear stickers. It all starts with a dream. So pretty. Paper. Here's a bunch of checklists with the Mickey heads, a favorite of mine. I love this one. I love all of the school supplies. School supplies will always have my heart, I think. Pencils, those are adorable. Like a back to school themed spread, even if you're not a teacher. More boxes, more circles, clear Mickeys and Minnies with foil. These are adorable. Highlight. That would be a cute memory spread with a little highlighter. Here's our cut along the lines, cut along the dotted line, Mickey heads. Those are very cute. No school, testing week. Oh, I love that. The best day. See the good in every day. These are on paper, and then we have these on clear. And that is it for it's called Whimsy Teacher. It's basically the Mickey and Minnie line for teachers, but even if you're not a teacher, you can of course enjoy any of the parts of this line. In fact, I think it's really fun to incorporate these pieces into kind of your regular planning just to change it up here and there. So all kinds of things are a part of this line. Be sure to head on over to the Happy Planner website, check out the full line, check out everything else that's releasing as part of the back to school release. You definitely don't want to miss it. Release date is May the 3rd. I have everything linked down below, so check those out. They are affiliate links, so thank you very much in advance for shopping those. All right, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.